Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. We've had our magnetic stir video up for several months, and I just want to kind of give an update and then also talk about another one that I bought and kind of how we feel about that. I also want to briefly address the fact that there was a comment on the other video where the person said that Cerakote had told them not to do this and that when they did, they ruined $200+ worth of coating. I left that comment up. Normally when it's somebody that I feel like is kind of a troll, I'll just delete it. That's not the kind of channel we want to have. But I left that one up because I don't want to make it look like I'm telling people to go buy this and then there's a problem with it. So I kind of left it up so that it wouldn't look like we're trying to cover anything up or mute anybody. I honestly hope he does come back and tell us what the problem was. I've had zero issues with the Cerakote using these stirrers. So I kind of struggled a little bit with whether or not I should take that down, but I just decided in the end that, you know, let's be transparent about the whole thing and let everybody make up their own mind. So the magnetic stirrers have been awesome. They save me probably an hour plus a day of just having to stand there for 10 minutes shaking this coating. And other than putting one or two of them in metallics where it just attracts all that flake, that was kind of the one little learning curve. Other than that, they've worked great for us. We haven't had any issues. The other little quirk that those Paras have is if the coating's been sitting for a while in the fridge, the magnet will actually kind of glue itself into the coating, and you have to shake it up for a minute or so, plop it on there, and it'll spin. But if you just start to kind of turn it up, what normally happens is it'll just bog itself down and it doesn't catch the magnet. One other little thing I found is every once in a while the little plate that's in the stirrer will stick, so you'll turn it up and you won't feel the hum going because it's not spinning. What we found is just take it and just kind of tap it on the bench top a little bit and it'll kick that loose and then it starts to work fine. Our first Para finally went out. I think it was just worked to death. Spinning that heavier coating in a bottle, I think puts a lot of strain on them. When I went to reorder, I got these INTLLAB, Intel Lab, I guess you'd call it, stirrers off of eBay, because they were cheaper, and I figure if they do the job, then why not save a little money. I am not impressed with this particular one, mainly because it seems on especially the bigger bottles, it just doesn't have enough oomph to spin the magnet. So me personally, I'm not going to buy any more of these. I'll go back to buying the Para brand when those wear out, and we'll just go from there. So just a quick update video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for our stencil needs. Have a great day.